Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Finally, the JK Bose issued date sheet for class 10th and 12th, and there is now a reduction of 40% instead of 30%. You have to prepare the things for 60% only. Dear students, I am never with the reduction in the syllabus because these things finally tell upon the career of a person when we sit in different competitive exams. Dear students, but you are virtually connected to us, not physically, so the reduction in syllabus was necessary and it was the need of time. Finally, it was realized by the chairman J.K. Bose and educational experts that the reduction must be there because students were virtually connected, not physically, face to face interaction was not there. Their students, the question paper would be of 100 marks like the previous board examination papers, and out of 100 marks you have to add up only 60, and that will be a proportionality raised to 100. Their students, whether it is English, it is social science, it is mathematics, it would be 100 marks question paper, and out of 100 you have to attempt only 60 marks. If you attempt 60 out of 60, you will get 100 of 100 out of 100, that will be proportionately raised to 100. Dear students, you must put work, you must put extra efforts in these days because the virtual mode is never the actual mode of teaching. You are badly hit. This pandemic caused great damage to your academic side. You must put extra efforts. You must do hard work because examination days are becoming shorter and shorter, and 15 or 17 days left. You must concentrate so that you can crack the coming examination with ease. Dear students of class 12th, today we are dealing with resume writing. It is a writing skill. One of my students enrolled in our higher secondary Farshid called me to make me learn what is the resume writing. First of all, you need to know what is the resume. Resume is a short account or summary of somebody what he has said. It is it is short account or a summary what somebody has said. Dear students, most companies when they go for when they go for the advertisement of different jobs, they ask for the resumes. Resumes means just your details, your personal details, your educational qualifications, your experience. You have to keep in the mind that in resume you have to mention your educational qualification, your personal details, and your experience if you have. Dear students, for example, if you are applying for a job in a private company outside India or within the India, and these companies demand resume from you, and you have to send the resume there. But what is the format for the resume? It is so simple. Just your answer paper is there. Use the sheet of that very answer paper for resume writing. You have to start from your personal details. That is from name. For example, name Farshid Ahmad Sheikh, and your parentage is Nazir Ahmad Sheikh, and their your residence, that is the Kakrusa, and your home district, that is the Kapwara, and your home state or UT, that is the Jammu and Kashmir, and then the educational qualifications. If you are academically postgraduate, you must write down the MA Political Science, MA Education, and you if you have some professional course degrees like in education, it is B.Ed or M.Ed. You mentioned that I'm B.Ed and M.Ed. If you are professional in other fields like you are an engineer, you are a doctor, you have done doctor's degree, you have done the engineer's degree, you can write down their B.Tech, M.Tech, MBBS, and MD. And after that you have to write down the your experiences means I have worked in the Jyoti company for 2 years as a work supervisor, and then you have to write down your extra information or extra capabilities. If you have, if you are trained in a computer, you are a computer knowing, you can write down there 2 years experiences in computer as a computer operator. To our dear students, you have to keep in the mind it is so simple. Resume is just short summary or account what somebody has said. In most private companies, when they advertise a post, they demand a resume from the desiring candidates. So resume means just your personal details, your educational qualifications, and your experiences. So you have to start like this. You have to, at the top, it means the resume. You have to write down the resume, and then you have to start from name, this Khurshid Ahmed, then the parentage, then your date of birth, that is important, and then your home district, home state, that is UT. Now, and then educational qualification, if you are academically MA, you write down. If you are professionally having some degree in education, that is MEd or BEd, you must write down there. If you have having the professional degrees in other fields like you are engineer, you are doctor, you must write down BTech, MTech, that is your educational qualification. So you have to write down the personal information as well as the educational information. If you have experience, if you have worked somewhere, you must write down these experiences. I have worked in Jyoti company as a supervisor for 2 years, and then you have to write down if you have some special abilities. If you are a computer knower, you are knowing computer, you must write down I am a computer operator and I have two experience. This is how you can frame your resume. Dear students, write down. Remember that the resume is a short summary or account of what somebody has said, or it is the account of somebody's personal information, somebody's skill or educational qualifications. And most companies, private companies particularly, demand resume from candidates post when they advertise a post. So in a resume, you have to write down your personal information, your educational information, your experiences, and you can also make it effective by writing down about your health concerns, that I'm a sound man, I am a well-built man, I'm a I'm a handsome person. So you can write there and make it effective. And so you have to resume is just account of your personal details of your educational qualifications. Most private companies, when they advertise a post, they ask for the resume. Resume is just information about your personal details, your educational qualification, and your experiences. And you can use the sheet of your answer paper and write down a resume. Their students all about the resume. Do see this format on your English grammar book. You can get it there easily. In case of any confusion or query that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on my number that's already lying in your position. In these days, you must put extra efforts, you must do hard work. If there is reduction of 40%, but you are virtually connected to us and physical mode was not on, you must do hard work, you must concentrate, you must manage your time, you must remain without sleep in these days so that you can get through easily. My prayers are with you, and you will inshallah crack the coming examination with good percentage of marks. Thanks. Be blessed.